Welcome to North Carolina Wesleyan Genzabar EXI training for fall 2018. This training will prepare you to advise students using the EXI system after they have registered online. EXI is a web-based platform with tools that include academic planning and advising, registration, employee tools, student housing, and events. There's a lot to take advantage of, and many of these tools will be used in the future. Academic planning builds on the AIMS platform that we're using for advising worksheets and grad audits, which actually you can see in the new system. You can tell the student what they must take to graduate and when. Students must register on plan if they are students that are in the 2018 catalog. You'll use the link to log in. Once you've logged in, you'll see your home screen with recent messages, upcoming tasks, and your calendar. If you click on the hub, which is in the menu at the top of the screen, you'll see more information. Select Academic Advising. This allows you to see an overview of your advisees, holds, registration clearance, graduation status, your calendar, and any approvals that need to be made for registration. On the left, if you select Hub Options, you can view your advisee roster or cast appointment blocks. Viewing your roster will list the students that you are listed as advisor. If you select a particular student, you'll see the student's overview, any registration holds or rules, and the student's course schedules. From here, you can look at financial aid probation, classification of the student, progress in their academic plan, registration rules, their calendar, their program block and degree history, holds, registration clearance and approval, and from here you can also edit academic plans. Your roster is able to show you basic student information. If you use the circular arrows, you can flip their card over and look at some basic information about each student. If you select Student and then go to Student again and Advisee Spotlight, you'll see the high-level information for this student, including what needs to be done and their success team as well as their goals. Your Advisor toolbar is at the top of your screen, and you have your hubs, bookmarks that you can set, pinned pages, pages you've viewed recently, messages, tasks, and your calendar. EXI Advising allows advisors to view quickly and easily everything that you need to know about a student plan, including enrollment summary, term alerts, term-by-term layout, and differentiate if a course needs review with the student or is ready, and courses that are currently enrolled and whether or not they're in the plan, term or not. Advisors can also quickly view when a student is off plan or plan for future courses. Next, let's look at the student's academic plan. The academic plan is planned out by semester for the remainder of the time the student will be attending Wesleyan. As you can see, some of the classes are required and some are free electives. You must keep in mind that double majors are not planned in this current plan, and you will have to use the free elective slots to plan for that second major or minor. The enrollment summary will show the current classes, student classification, academic standing, and career hours earned and GPA. You can see the requirements met on the bar at the top of the page, and then scroll down to see what courses will be planned. You can edit within this academic plan in any semester that you choose by selecting options at the top of the semester listing. Either edit from this point or move requirements. If you select Edit, the Change Selection links will appear at the right of each course, and you may change those selections. If you select Change Selection, you can start by entering a class code, and a drop-down list will appear from which you may select that course. If you don't want to plan to take this course, you can select just plan the free elective or the X at the top of the page. If you do want to plan to take the course, select the course and then plan to take. You might find a time in which you would like to add another semester that's not listed in the student's current academic plan. To do this, scroll to the top of the screen. All the way at the top, select Options and Manage Time Periods. You can add a time period here. For example, if a student wants to take a summer course or a Maymester course, you start typing the year term description starting with the year, and your options will pop up and you can select one of those to add that time period. The student may then register for classes in that semester and the semester will appear in the academic plan. Going back to the academic plan overview, you'll see that this Summer 1 semester has now been added to the student's academic plan. Another thing you may want to do is view the student's course list. Select Student Course List from the student menu, and all courses that the student has taken or has registered to take will appear. Some classes will have an H after the status. That means those courses were taken in the past. Just like in the previous system, you can also go to Student and from the Student menu, pull up the advising worksheet or unofficial transcript for that student, which will show you what the requirements are for the student to be able to earn their degree. The advising worksheet or the unofficial transcript will open in a separate window and you can refer back to that. Closer to the advising period, you may cast appointment blocks for your students to sign up for an appointment with you by using the Hub Options and Cast Appointment Blocks option, which will open your calendar and allow you to set this up. As stated, this will be available closer to the period of registration. Should you have questions after viewing this training, please feel free to contact me, Era Sunbaum, in the Teaching and Learning Center, or contact the registrar's office. I'd like to ask that you complete the short quiz with the link that's listed in the comments section of this video to verify completion of this training to report to the provost office. Thank you and have a great day.